Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel, and thank you very much for being here together with me, guys. I hope you are feeling fantastic, guys, today. I hope you are, enjoying your day. I hope you were wearing perfumes, those type of perfumes that would bring you a lot of happiness. I hope that you discovered something new. Have you bought, guys, new perfumes recently? Myself, I haven't bought new perfumes. I'm gonna unbox one of my last perfume that I bought really many months ago right now, and I'm trying to discover my old perfumes. The reason why, because guys, when you wear the perfumes that you have every day, every single day, guys, is gonna bring you a new type of sensation, new experience. That's what I feel like. I don't feel the same, guys, when I wear like, let's say, one perfume for each time. I feel it brings something different. It develops into something else, or depending on just simply the daily situations, depending on the weather, depending on how you feel, depending on many factors, guys. You guys, like you really can feel different each time. So what I want to do, guys, I'm gonna unbox this little small thing. It's my first thing that I ever bought from HERMAIN. This one is HERMAIN Amber perfume. It's something similar like Rehab, perhaps, like some kind of oils. I don't believe, guys, in oils too much. I never found anything that would excite me too much there, like never. So this one, guys, I paid only 90 cents. So for that reasons, I bought it, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. But before that, guys, let's see. My scent of the day was Ragba. So Ragba is my scent of the day. I really enjoy this particular amber that is in here, and for that reason that I really liked Ragba, guys, I thought, guys, let me try this HERMAIN amber as well. Maybe it will be as good as Ragba. Who knows? But this perfume is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I just have no words what to say. If I will run out from this perfume, I will have to buy another one for sure. And when I say that I will have to buy another one, it means a lot. It means that, guys, to buy this perfume is worth it. And so I'm gonna put it back right now. And guys, I want to tell you that yesterday my scent of the day was this one, 24 hours. I thought that this perfume, is very interesting perfume. It's very interesting perfume due for Tom Ford Black Orchid. Sometimes I feel like something is lacking in this perfume, but to be honest, there's nothing lacking. It's just simply, it is as it is. It's some kind of like a lavender type of smell mixed with many other type of notes, floral type of notes, that makes this perfume very different. Very different. Not too heavy, not difficult, not heavy with oud. If there is any oud, because I haven't noticed in the notes actually. So it's written oud, but actually I don't remember if I saw. I remember there is ylang ylang. So this perfume is very interesting. I'm very happy to be able to experience, guys, this particular perfume. So one of my new perfumes, guys, also I bought this Jazab. I really like this perfume. If not like really like, but I'm very happy to have it just because of the shape of the bottle and how feminine it smells. In the nose, it doesn't have a lot of things, but it has citrus and some other notes as well. It feels very warming type of warm perfume, very suitable for women, guys. That's Jazab Gold. And one of my recent new perfumes also, guys, is this one, is Oud Faza. Oud Faza feels similar to Pour Oudi, but guys, is a little bit on the lighter side. For that reason, it's more wearable. I noticed that people are, guys, not very into this particular perfume, guys, but it's actually, I must reassure you guys that that perfume is quite good, and I would recommend you to get it. So now, guys, okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to, let me see what I could do, guys. I cannot, okay, so I'm going HERMAIN Amber perfume. I'm going to unbox it right now. I'm going, guys, to unbox it right now. I need to put this phone somewhere. Okay, let me see if I could, guys, pop it in this particular phone somewhere right here. And guys, I'm going to unbox this particular perfume super quick. Today, guys, is no chit chat. I don't have a great environment here, like to show you some kind of backgrounds or anything. It's gonna be super quick, and I will tell you guys, is it worth it or it's not worth it? I, guys, got this perfume on Amazon, and it was 90 cents. It's some kind of like an oil, so let's see, HERMAIN. Let's unbox this perfume. Ooh, it's my Ooh. So guys, it's my first perfume. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at this cute type of thing. Isn't it great, guys? It's just brilliant, don't you think so? I will turn to the other side. HERMAIN, guys. HERMAIN is my... You know, guys, that HERMAIN also has other type of things, like it has this type of something similar to Baccarat Rouge as well. There are other perfumes, but they are more expensive than Lattafa. They are more pricey, guys. So that's what I, want to tell you. And right now, for an example, ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. I think there is some, look, there is some kind of like a roller there. I have never, guys, like you can just actually roll it, Ooh. Wow, like that's a little bit like a, oh, that's so interesting, guys. Like, I can feel that roller is a bit difficult to roll, maybe no wonder it's so cheap, guys, but interest. Is that like, let's say, does it has like a, does it has similarity to Ragba? Let me see, guys. Let me see. Because Ragba is amber too, So Ragba, guys, is basically more, perhaps, better, guys. Ragba is definitely better. And this particular HERMAIN is kind of, it's a little bit more on Middle Eastern vibe, guys. Okay, it's getting a bit more on the Middle Eastern vibe, That amber, guys, is disappearing. Which is annoying, guys. Why is disappearing? Like, I wouldn't repurchase this type of perfume again, perhaps. I wouldn't, guys. But it's like, I think, guys, it's pretty much, perhaps, no point of purchasing this perfume, just because there's nothing in there, too much that would be exciting. A little bit Middle Eastern type of Middle Eastern vibe, Middle Eastern vibe that has a little bit of amber, but has a little bit something else there that, guys, like, I feel like it's disappearing too. So, like, I think pretty much, I would say to you that Ragba is better, is more type of, more, guys, better. Ragba, for sure, is disappearing. I really like this type of bottle, guys. I love it. I love to see this bottle, but is that really worth it? Not really, guys. I would say that, not really worth it, unfortunately. So 90 cents. So, guys, I will say to you bye-bye. I hope you're going to have a beautiful day. That's my first HERMAIN perfume. It's kind of an oil. Like, I never believed in oil. And after this one, I still don't believe in oils. Like, have you ever had some kind of oil that really, like, surprised you or anything like that? Let me know, guys. Myself, I only had this Sultan from Al Rehab that is perhaps, it's not kind of like a spray, It's like really, like, not surprised me too much. Nothing, nothing, guys. So that's all, guys. I wish you to have a beautiful day. I will be back to you soon. Like this video so we can meet each other again. And have a beautiful day. Bye-bye, guys.